Today, at Birla Public School, Ganganagar proudly present the Special Assembly of Class 4th B, a beautiful blend of division, learning, and creativity. We begin by welcoming our respected Vice Principal Ma'am, HM Ma'am, and our dear parents, followed by the auspicious lamplight ceremony. Let us seek blessings through Ram Stuti and stay connected with our roots through the Hindi Panchang. Be inspired by the thought of the day and enrich your vocabulary with the word of the day. Enjoy a delightful music followed by the engaging speech and a poem in a Hindi lively talk show and a heartfelt English poem. Get ready for a vibrant group dance performance and a melodious group song that will be filled the air with joy. We also invited our parents to participate in some fun games, making the celebration even more special. We are honored to hear the inspiring words of our Vice Principal Ma'am.
The students to show their best in the show, and the students those who have performed so well and must congratulate to each and everyone.
We are concluded with a vote of thanks and valuable feedback from our parents. Birla Public School, Ganganagar, a step ahead.